Hey everybody, it's Jake, and we need to go get a heater. So, this week it's been in the negative digits. Right now it's negative 2 right now. And the garage has been miserable. I do have a electric heater in our garage, but you can see that in the car. It's still freezing, and it takes forever to heat up the garage. The house we have right now is a rental, and I'm not going to put in a gas heater just yet. The house we're moving to has a gas heater, and it's insulated, and it'd be awesome, but I need to do something for the season because it's just ridiculous. Our electrical bill will be crazy. So I'm going to go get a heater. I'm going to go pick it up, and we're going to go see how it does. And I'll show you what happens. Alright, so that's on the highest setting, so we're going to let this go for about, give about 15 minutes, and we'll come back and check the temperature and see where we're at. So the timer just went off, so let's go check, see how we're doing here. So we're on the highest setting here. It's putting out about 80,000 BTUs, and we're up to about 43. So we went from 36 to 43. So we went up about half a degree a minute. It's not too bad. So we're at a half an hour, and let's go ahead and check this. So currently we are at about 54 degrees, which is nice. It's much better than it was half an hour ago. And on the lowest setting, this should last about 14 hours. So I'm pretty happy about that. So this should last me at least a couple times out in the garage. And to fill up my tank, it's about $16 here locally to get it fill up a 25-pound tank. So actually, just to exchange it at $16, I can even get it for 12 some places, which is nice. So I want to let you know how this is working out. I've used this pretty much the whole afternoon into the evening, and it's working really great. It's currently 62 degrees in here. The concrete's cold, but it still feels really nice in here. This is doing a great job, and I've pretty much left it on the lowest setting that it has while I've been working on it here. And the lowest setting is like 30,000 BTUs, which is perfect. And to warm up the garage, I like it because I can crank this thing up to 80,000 BTUs and really don't have an issue. It's really easy to start. Just hold down the button. It should hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds until the flame gets going, and then you can adjust it to wherever you want. Really easy to set up. This just pops up. There's a screw that goes right in here, just as a safety thing, but it's got a little spring right here that locks it in place, this tower, when you pull this up. So really easy to assemble, really easy to get going, and it's working great in here. Totally would recommend this if you've got a shop like mine, a garage like mine, where you don't have a lot of insulation, or even if you do have insulation, but this will get it warmed up really quick. Last season I bought our electric heater for the garage, and that puts out about 25,000 BTUs at the highest setting, but that's at about 32 amps that it's pulling while it's doing that. And so our electric bill was just skyrocketed last season when it's cold. And right now it's about, this past week it's been in the negative digits, -5, -10 for the whole week. In fact, right now it's about -10 outside. But like I said, it's about 62 in here, totally comfortable. I can work on what I need to work on, do what I need to do. It's working really well. Actually, what I've been doing is supplementing with my electric heater. When I shut this off, I'll just turn that on for a little bit and it'll kick on for just a few minutes and then turn off, so I don't have to use this all the time or run it constantly. So I'm really happy with this. I think it's a good purchase. It does what it's supposed to do. You can set it up just about anywhere where you need heat, whether that's on a construction site or in a garage like this, or inside a building, in case of emergency heat, that kind of thing. Just need to make sure you maintain a 4-foot space with anything that's flammable next to it and keep that away. But really happy with this Mr. Heater. This particular model is the MH80CVX, and I got it on sale at Menards for $85, I believe. But I would totally recommend this heater if you've got a situation like mine where you need to heat up an area really quick and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on electricity. But again, this will run for 14 hours on a 20-25 pound tank. The heater will actually shut off if it loses the flame, which is nice, a safety feature. Really easy to hook up, really easy to assemble. So if you're looking for something that's going to heat up your garage and just pretty easy to maintain and work with, I would totally recommend this. Again, this is the Mr. Heater MH80CVX. But if you have any questions or comments for me, be sure to leave those in the comments below. And if you haven't checked out my channel before, make sure you check out my other videos I've got. Love to have you check those out. And this is Jake of All Trades, and we'll see you next time.